Greetings YouTube, and thanks again for joining me on the Cotswold Biker channel. So what have I got for you today? As the title suggests, we're unboxing the Halfords Advanced 4A Motorcycle Smart Charger. So if this content interests you, please hang around and we'll get straight to it. So the unboxing. As you may already know, I have decided to add an additional motorbike to my channel to complement my trusty Honda GB350S and recently took delivery of the bike. This hastened the need to purchase another Battery Optimiser as it's winter here in the UK at time of filming and cold for the next couple of months. So I needed to ensure my battery on the new bike, like my existing Honda, is kept in tip-top condition for the new biking season. Now, my usual go-to for decades has been the venerable and reliable Optimate units. The main reason for trying the Halfords unit is that it's half the cost of the Optimate, and this is only around £34.99 currently. The website says that the smart battery charge will automatically switch to a maintenance mode when the battery is fully charged, which protects it from overcharging and keeps it healthy long term, which is exactly what I need. As I am charging over the winter months, the cold weather maintenance mode protects the battery in low temperatures. It's great, this charger, because it comes complete with the appropriate cables that we need. It comes with the usual sort of crocodile clip type, but also I can attach it to the main battery, which is what I intend to do. So the charger seems incredibly good value for money and is a great specification. It can be used for both 6 and 12 volt batteries. It's also suitable for lithium and lead acid AGM batteries. So the specifications on the website includes 2 to 4A amp variable charging rate, start-stop compatible, designed for long-term charging, automatically switches to long-term maintenance when battery is fully charged, suitable for 6 and 12 volt motorcycle batteries and smaller vehicles, 7-stage charging cycle for lithium batteries, 9-stage cycle for lead acid AGM batteries, safe charging, reverse polarity and short circuit protection, cold weather maintenance mode, protects your battery in low temperatures, backlit LCD shows voltage and charging progress, quick connectors with clamps or O-ring terminals for use on motorcycle batteries, which is what I'm going to use, and simple one-touch operation. So this seems to be just the job. So we've connected the conditioner up to the battery now. And it was relatively easy to do this on this particular machine. It wasn't particularly difficult. And there's room for those wires to go underneath the seat. And that connector is very similar to the Optimate one. And functioning wise, that button's very good. As soon as you press it, the backlight comes on, and then you can go through the various modes. As we show here, we've got the battery, and the star is obviously the winter setting. And then the car, and then again a car, and then a winter setting for it, lithium, then 6 volts, and then just standard, and then back to the motorcycle with the winter setting. In next week's video, I will be revealing what the new bike is. Thank you so much for taking part in my recent post on YouTube. It's certainly been very interesting. And at the time of publishing this video, the guesses have been BSA Gold Star at 33%, Royal Enfield Classic 650 at 26%, and Royal Enfield Interceptor at 41%. So if you want to know what I chose in the end, look out for that video. Thanks so much for watching this video, and indeed any of my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and if available, hit the hype button. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing and hit that notifications bell to get the drop on new content. I will see you in the next video. Ride safe and keep it shiny side up. See you next time.